Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our English class. I am so happy to see you again. Today, we are going to learn something very important and super fun. Let's start learning simple sentences.
A simple sentence tells us one complete idea. It always has three parts: a subject, a verb, and an object. Let's see how it works. Here's an example. I eat an apple. I is the subject, eat is the verb, and apple is the object. Another example. She waters the plants. It's simple and complete. That's why it's called a simple sentence. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. We play football. He reads a book. Wow, great job, everyone. Oops! Sometimes we forget to add S with he, she, or it. Remember, he eats. She plays. It rains. Now let's build our own sentences. Choose a subject, then a verb, then an object. Say it aloud like this. I play football. We eat apples. Learning English is fun, isn't it? Now it's homework time. Write 3 simple sentences of your own. Well done, everyone. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow.